Damn. Y'all, this is crazy. Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all, my first job was right here. Piggly Wiggly, man. It used to be like a little business right there. It was all one shopping center, y'all. Piggly Wiggly used to be right here, man. That's crazy. Bruh. That tornado came through and wiped ish out. It used to be a Piggly Wiggly and a Dollar General down here. And that shit gone. Damn. That's crazy, man. Like this parking lot used to be a whole little shopping center with other little small boutiques. It was also a little gym down here one time. Damn. That's crazy. It's so bad they had it blocked off at one time, look like. Wow. That's crazy, man.